Hi, let's see one of the gate question which was asked in the year 2008. Guys, they have given here two functions. One is f1, another function is f2, and they are simply asking for us to execute the above program by calling two functions. One is f1 of 8, another one is f2 of 8, and they are asking for what values they are going to return by those functions. Okay. Fine. So in addition to this question, this is a like combination question. In addition to this question, they have added time complexity also. So as this series is related to only C language, so I have simply skipped this question. Okay, and I have considered only for the respective language question. Okay, so when we are going to call the function f1 of 8, so simply f1 function is going to be called, and here the parameter should be an integer value because 8 is an integer variable. So here the n value is 8, right? And it's going to enter into the block. Is 8 double equal to 0? No. 8 double equal to 1? No. So it's going to execute the else block. So guys, meaning that when we are going to call a function called f1 of 8, the next statement is executed as else block. Else block. In else block, it is going to execute 2 into f of, what's the value of n? N value is 8. So I am going to simply substitute here. 8 minus 1 is 7 plus 3 into f1 of, this is also f1. Okay, f1 of n minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, again this is an expression. So it is going to call f1 of 7, meaning that in order to successfully complete this particular result to the f1 app, right, first we have to completely call executing f1 of 7 as well as f1 of 6. So I am going to execute f1 of 7. If I am going to execute f1 of 7, now n value is 7. So 7 double equal to 0? No. 7 double equal to 1? No. So again it is going to have 2 into f1 of 6 plus 3 into f1 of 5. f1 of, right? So in order to produce this result to the f1 of 7, first I have to compute this one. So in order to compute this entire expression, first I have to calculate f1 of 6, right? So f1 of 6 is what? Again 6 double equal to 0? No. 6 double equal to 1? No. So simply 2 into f1 of 5 plus 3 into f1 of 4. Again, to solve this, first you have to calculate f1 of 5. So 2 into, directly writing, I am writing f1 of 4 plus 3 into f1 of 3. Okay, again I am going to call 2 into f1 of 3 plus 3 into f1 of 2. f1 of 2, right? Again, in order to compute f1 of 3, I am going to take like f1 function. So 3 double equal to 0? No. 3 double equal to 1? No. So I am going to call 2 into f1 of 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus 3 into f1 of 3 minus 2, that is 1, right? Guys, I would like to compute f1 of 2. f1 of 2 is not available, like 2 double equal to 0? No. 2 double equal to 1? No. So it is going to execute again else block. So in the else block, 2 into f1 of, what is 2 minus 1? 1 plus 3 into f1 of 2 minus 2, that is 0, right? So observe now. So this is where our program is going to terminate. If you observe now, what is f1 of 1? Again it will call, right? It will call. So now 1 double equal to 0? No. 1 double equal to 1? Yes. Then it is going to return that value. What is going to return? Return n. N value is what? 1. So f1 of 1, you are going to get the value as 1, right? Once this particular thing is computed, you can go for further 3 into f1 of 0. If you go for f1 of 0, if you go for f1 of 0, n value is 0, 0 double equal to 0, so it is going to simply return 0, right? If you are going to return 0, 3 into 0 is 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So this entire expression is 0. So this step only I will explain perfectly. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 0 2. So f1 of 2 you are going to get the value as 2. You are going to get the value as 2, right? So wherever f1 of 2 is there, so simply you can make as 2. What is the value of f1 of 1? F1 of 1 is 1, which I calculated here, right? So now in order to compute f1 of 3, I have to solve this, right? This entire thing is I have ready-made available. 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3 into 1 is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So f1 of 3 value is 7. That 7 value you know, so I am going to simply substitute here, right? So now this entire expression is ready-made available. 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So f1 of 4 is 20. So this f1 of 4 also 20, which you know. 2 20s are 40, 40 plus 21 is 61. Am I right? 61, right? Now you can able to compute this expression, right? 61 into 2, you are going to get this value as 122, this value as 122, and this value as 60. 122 plus 60, you are going to get the value as, I think, 182, if I'm not wrong. 182, right? f1 of I value, you know, f1 of I value is 61. So 182 into 2, so 2 to the 4, 364, right? And 61 threes are 183. So you can able to substitute. You are going to get the value as 547. Am I right? 347 and 8 4 12 8 6 14 and 4 547. Right? What is the value of f1 of 6? That is 182. 182. Right? Now 2 into 547. You are going to get the value as 1094. Right? And 3 into 108, 546. This is 546, right? Now you can able to add 546 plus 1094. 1094. You are going to get f1 of 8 as 1640. 1640. So the value of f1 of 8 you are going to get as 1640, right? So you can able to simply eliminate option B, because option B contains the first function value as 59. So it is wrong. Nice. So as I am trying to explain here, it is going to take more time, but when you have the habit of practice, then it is easy for us to solve this question. So option 1640, whichever you got the first one, that you can able to simply assume it as answer, but for the remaining you can able, so it is 1661, so you can able to simply skip this also. So we eliminate two options. Now we are left with two options. Okay, now let us try with f2 function, f2 of 8, f2 of 8. Okay, so the value of n is again 8 only, 8 only, and they have taken here three arrays. One is x array, and another one is an array with the name y, and an array with the name z. They have taken three arrays with max size as n, right? And by default they placed all the array index position zeros values with 0. So this is 0, this is 0, and this is 0, and they have placed x of 1 as 1, y of 1 as 2, z of 1 as 3, z of 1 as 3. I hope you understood, right? So this is index position 0 1 0 1 0 1, and if you go for and so on. So let me go with clear. So I don't know exactly how many you are going to get. Right? So let me write the index positions also. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Okay, fine, good, fine. Now this step is done, right? Z of 1 is 3, I hope you know, right? And they have taken one for loop which is from the range of index value with 2 and up to the 8th. N value is 8, right? So it should be iterated for 7 times. So it has to be iterated for up to the number 8, right? So meaning that how many times 8 minus 2 plus 1? 7 times, right? 7 times we need to iterate. So 7 times when we are iterating, the values may be changed, right? If you observe here, x of 5 value is what? X of 2. So I will simply take one step, x of 2, right? I will try to write here x of 2 equal to y of 2 minus 1, right? So here I value is 2, y of 2 minus 1 is y of 1 plus z of 2 minus 2 is 0. So y of 1 plus z of 0, y of 1 2 plus 0, that is 2, that will be updated here. And y of 2 equal to 2 into x of 2, this is I, right? X of 2 is what? 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So y of 2 having the value as 4. And z of 2 equal to 3 into x of 2. 3 into x of 2 is 2. So you are going to get the value as 6. Right? So like this, you need to continuously process it. You need to continuously process it. And at the end, you are going to return at the end you are going to return the value of x of 8, meaning that once you reached the I value is 9, we are going to simply comes out and we are going to simply return the value of x of n. X of n means what? X of 8. X of 8, guys, I know the answer. So answer will be again here 1640. 1640. So both functions are similar functions only. One is recursive function, another one is normal function, that is through also arrays. So option C is the correct answer. So you can able to do workout on this one. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.